It's a quick video regarding the iRig Original. I have my guitar plugged in. So one thing that some people encounter is that they can't hear themselves while they're playing. So see, if I'm playing and I'm plugged in, I got the iRig plugged in, everything seems to be right, and I even see the bar where it says in, but I can't hear myself. I've got my headphone out, but there's no sound coming out. So no sound, something's wrong. So one of the things that it could be the issue is right here. You see where it says out? So that is turned off. So one thing we can do is just turn this on, and now that we see that we turn it on, watch what happens. Okay. And I can hear myself. All right, so that's one way to turn it on. So another way too, if you have it off, there's another way to turn it on. So another way to turn on the monitor is to actually tap on the icon where it says in. So we do that. We're going to get these input settings here. So we see we have a few options. We have the input level, and I have it set to automatic, so it's right there. So that might be another issue if you're not getting any sound, but I have mine turned up. And it tells you what each of them does. But right here, it says turn on your monitor, hear your sound as you play and record. So we're gonna turn that on, and we're gonna hit done, and we see it does the same exact thing. It turns on the monitoring for that. So there you go. I hope you found that useful. Let me know in the comments if this is helpful, or if you still have an issue, then I can try to solve it for you by trying different things. But this is what I have so far in GarageBand and iRig with no sound coming up. Try turning those things on and see if it works out for you.